Hey guys, Sean with American Window Concepts, and today I want to talk about the different types of low E and the color of each one. Cardinals 366 with the neat, Cardinals Quad 452, and then G340. So you have the Cardinals 366 with the neat, and I put a piece of paper there to kind of show you the tint, like how bright it actually is or how dark it actually is. And then you have, and you've heard me say it before, Sun Matrix, which is actually Cardinals Quad 452. You can see that it's actually darker, but it still has that greenish look. And then you've heard me talk about the G340, which is also Cardinals, but this is going to be the highest performing that we offer against heat gain. I wanted to take this time to kind of show you, if you're in the market and you're looking for, the low E's, for the windows, you're going to have to decide what tint or how dark do you want it to be. Now, typically for north facing and east facing, I will always just use 366. You can even use that for the south facing, west facing. It's still gonna perform really, really well. But typically, if I'm bidding a job, I'm going to do for the north and east, I'm going to use the 366. High performing, your solar heat gain on a sliding window like this is gonna be 22%. If you're going to go up into a quad low E, the 452, then your performance is gonna go up to an 18%. So obviously, the lower the number, the better when it comes to the U factors, when it comes to solar heat gain. So you're looking for that. I would use this style of glass, okay? Now, let's say, for instance, you have a two-story house and you have a whole side of your house where there's bedrooms, is south-facing, there's no tree coverage, nothing. So you just have direct sunlight hitting that house or that side of the house all day long. More times than not, I'm just going to package it up with the G340. It will have a darker look, highly reflective, but this is going to really make it cooler in the house when it's really hot outside. The sun is hitting that side of the house. Your windows are the weakest link, and I've always said that. So in order to combat against that, you get the highest performing low E that you can get. I would not suggest putting something like this on the north side of the house. It's just overkill. There's no reason to get a G340 and put it on the north side or east facing where the sun's coming up. Typically, that's not the hottest part of the day. It's usually gonna be south because that's getting the continual sun throughout the day, and then also, especially in the summer, and then you have the west facing. So the sun is, going down for the day, and you get a lot of the heavy exposure, and you wanna make sure you're protecting yourself from that. And low E is gonna protect your furniture, it's gonna protect your flooring, it's gonna protect, anything that's inside. So you wanna consider this. Now, you can get away with 366 on anything. Like this is standard for the windows that I use. And 366 is great. It's a very high performing low E. It's Title 24 compliant. It's great. But there are gonna be times where I'm going to automatically suggest going with the 4 layers or even G340. This is how it looks, as you can see. The paper behind there, and you also have the grid between the panes, so this is kind of giving you an identifier, but it's green, but it's a little lighter green than, say, your 452 or your Sun Matrix, if you will. That is darker. It's not a lot darker, but it's definitely darker, but this is gonna perform better than this in direct sunlight. Now, let's turn our attention to the G340. As you can see, this no longer is green. This has more of a bluish look. This is going to perform better than that. Now, your solar heat gain on this particular window is 14%. That's a lot. When you're getting down below 20%, you start getting, the single digit performance gaining it's huge. It's huge. So going from 18% to 14% is fantastic. That is what's protecting you from all of the sun in the hot, summer sun days, and this is gonna really protect you guys. Making this video to kind of show you the differences, how it would look on the outside. Hopefully this helped out, give you an idea as to how these things would look from the outside whenever you're packaging up your windows for purchase. Well guys, thank you so much for your time and watching this video. If you have any questions, you can always reach out to us at AmericanWindowConcepts.com. Thank you so much.
Hey guys, if you live in the Ventura or Santa Barbara area and you are interested in getting replacement windows or doors, don't hesitate to reach out to us. You can go to our website, AmericanWindowConcepts.com. You can click on the Get a Free Quote and fill out that information. I'll reach out to you within 24 hours. Thank you so much.
Hey guys, thanks again for watching this video. If you want to be kept updated on new videos that are coming out, just hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much.